good morning po. I'm Wayne.
And I'm Justin, and thank you for giving us your time today. We would like to ask you a few questions about your experience.
So, first question po. Can you tell us about yourself, including your name and how many years you have worked as a barista?
So, hi, I'm Ayasa, and meron akong almost 3 years of experience as a barista.
Thank you.
Next question is, what is your favorite thing about being a barista?
Yung pinaka-favorite ko, syempre parang marami yun eh. Pero pinaka-favorite ko talaga is I get to kausap the people, the customers. Kasi yun yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat. Kasi nakakapag-build kami ng relationship with them. Iba from customers, nagiging friends na namin, gano'n. So, nakakatuwa kasi parang nagiging part ka din ng journey nila. And then, parang nasusubaybayan mo yung pag-grow nila kasi from students, tapos nagiging working na yung iba. So, nakakatuwa kasi parang nagiging friends mo yung mga customers.
Next question po is, what are the top 3 qualities as a barista should have and why are these important?
Top 3 qualities and why are they important? Siguro number 1 is dapat friendly si barista. Kasi personally, ayoko ng cafe na parang sungit yung cashier or yung barista. Gusto ko welcoming yung barista na kakainan ko. Ay, yung cafe na kakainan ko. And then, number 2, siguro dapat open siya to new knowledge. Like, curious siya, ganun. Kasi, or interested. Kasi may kita mo yun sa isang tao eh. Willing ba siya to learn? Kasi may mga barista na parang sobrang yabang na nila kasi feeling nila alam na nila lahat. And bilang owner, hindi ako nag-hire ng mga ganong klaseng tao, ng mga ganong klaseng barista. Kasi gusto ko humble lang and then willing to learn. Ganun. And then number 3, siguro dapat masipag siya. Kasi as a being a barista, hindi lang pagtitimpla ng kape yung ginagawa. Marami pang ibang rules yung isang barista, kagaya ng paglilinis ng buong cafe, ganon. So, ayun. Yun yung pinaka-importanting qualities as a barista.
Thank you po. And for the fourth question po is, what is your most unforgettable moment as a barista?
Siguro yung pinaka-most unforgettable moment ko is yung kapag TV guesting or radio guesting kami and I get to inspire others through traditional marketing, through traditional media, ayun. Kasi ano lang siya, parang one time opportunity lang siya. So kapag may mga dumadating na ganung opportunity sa amin, ginagrab ko din talaga kasi una, namamarket namin yung brand namin, and then pangalawa, nai-inspire din namin yung iba to start their own business through our stories. Ayan.
Thank you po.
Next po is, what advice can you give us to aspiring future baristas?
Sa mga gustong magbarista, una, mag-undergo muna kayo sa training kasi importante talaga yung parang meron kang knowledge. Kami kasi self-taught siya and trial and error siya. Hindi siya madali. So, natuto lang kami along the journey. Pero mas maganda kung meron kang training and then halos lahat kasi ng cafe ngayon, parang yun yung hinahanap sa isang barista. Dapat meron kang experience, meron kang training, gano'n. And then, ayun, pakita mo lang na talagang gustong-gusto mo yung, or talagang interesado ka sa ginagawa mo.
And lastly po is, what is your favorite drink and why po?
Favorite drink ko as of now is yung matcha latte namin, sub-oat. Ayun, kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis and then creamy siya dahil din sa oat milk. Ayun lang.
Thank you so much po sa pagsagot sa question.
And really appreciate your time and effort po, and have a great day. Thank you po.
Thank you.